Okay guys, I'm here at my Michael's and they have the $4 grab bags. I'm going to grab 3. See, I have 3 here. $4 a piece. I'm in the line right now, getting ready to pay for these. Hey YouTube, it's me, Thrifty Shalee, and I have my Michael's grab bags, and of course we're outside in my yard because it's a lot brighter outside. But here we go. Let's see what's in the first box. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Can we open the first box one-handed? Yes, there we go. Alright, so in our first box we have some cute little owls that were originally $20. Are you kidding me? They are cute though. Okay, so that's that. We have 2 bunny boxes. I have no idea what these are for, but they are cute. Let's see, how much were these? $6. Some type of puzzle game. $5. I would not have paid $5 for this. Nice. We have a beautiful Easter basket. Most definitely keeping this for next year. $15. Bunnies be hoppin'. Oh, these are treat bags. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Originally $6. Good. And we also have, some bunny ribbon. Yay. I'll find something for that. $4. We have, oh my goodness, this is adorable. It's a little carrot car with a bunny. Oh, that's so cute. $20. Oh, look, and we have the little bunny with her bike. Oh, his bike, I'm sorry. And that's $20 also. Cute. Oh no, he's missing an ear. Oh, it's okay. I didn't even notice at first, so I'm still going to keep it. And then we have some golden shimmer egg dye. Nice. And some more egg dye. Oop, and I dropped it. Not bad, not bad. And another one, emoji. And another one, deluxe. Ooh, a little melty bead set. I'll probably give that to my mom. Oh, and we found some stickers. Yay! I love stickers. And oh, it's squishy, and it feels so weird. Stretchy carrot. Oh my, that's different. Okay, got a stretchy carrot. We have some 3D stickers. I'm so excited. And we have a window cling that says Hoppity Hop. Nice. That one was $4. Some wiggle eyes. $3. Stretchy bunnies. Also $3. More. Oh, these are what? Alligators? Oh, no, lizards. Lizards. Let's see. Ooh, bunny erasers. $3. Nice. Oh, and there's another one. So we have 2 bunny erasers. And we have some bunny ribbon, it seems. $4. Nice. And our last item is, oh, nope, last 2 items. A scratcher kit. Oh, okay, I get that. Okay. You take your nail or whatever and you scratch it off and it's a nice little design. $1.50. I have 2 of those. So that's the first box, guys. Sorry things in the grass, but very nice, very nice. I like that box. All right. I do like this box. Alright, let's just move on to the next box. I'll deal with this in a moment. Okay, box number 2. There we go. Let's see what I just tape that. Okay. Got the tape off. And let's see what's in box number 2. We have some glittery eggs. Originally $5. Very nice. Up, and here's another one. So that's 2. And we have 3 more decorative eggs. We have a bunny. We have an adorable, cute little bunny. This bunny originally was $20. It's a cute bunny. Don't think I would have paid $20 for it though. We have more egg dye. And, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Is this a scale? It's a scale. Wow. It's called hops. Okay, I'm going to set it down here for a second. Oh my, and look at that. It does work. I mean, it's in the grass, so yeah, it does work. Wow, that's amazing. Wonder how much this was. $50. Wow, are you kidding me? That's so nice. My son's trying to help. Okay, we have another window cling. Can you see that? Hoppity hop, hoppity hop. Yep. We also have a sign. This says gather here. Gather here. Okay. And we have another bunny. Oh, these bunnies are adorable. This is probably another $20 bunny. And our last item is, oh my goodness, look at this. This is so adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, hopefully I don't break it. And it was originally $24. This is beautiful. I'm going to give this to my mother-in-law for Mother's Day. This is perfect. Oh, I love this box. Okay, that was the end of box number 2. Alright guys, last but not least, the very last of my Michael's boxes. I only got 3. I will probably go back down and grab a few more because there were a lot. Okay, let's open this up. And we have more of the glitter eggs. And we said that was $5. Oh, we have more of the eggs, which is fine. Well, this one's stuck, but it's another bag of eggs. And they were $5. And a very nice pink basket. For that. The original price on that was $15. Beautiful pink basket. And here's a smaller one. Same square pink basket. Its original price was $10. And we have more egg dye. And what I wanted so bad, and I got one, is this set of jumbo nesting eggs. Originally $20. I was not going to pay $20, but I got one anyway. It's very cute. So guys, that's the end of my Michael grab bags, or actually grab boxes. And I will see you guys next time when I go grab some more. Have a good day.